Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making the second soap in my men's line, the King Collection. Today's soap is called Bourbon Street. Now my husband is from Louisiana, from a little town right outside of New Orleans, so there is no way I could have a men's line and not pay homage to my husband and where he comes from. So the colors and everything are inspired from Louisiana flair, and I think you guys are going to love it just as much as I love the final product. So without further ado, let's get right into the video, Bourbon Street. As usual, I am gearing up for safe soap making with my safety glasses and my gloves. I have my oils and butters melted and cooled to room temperature. By the way, if you would like to know what oils and butters that I am using, I use the same recipe in every video, and I go into detail about what they are in the coconut lime verbena video. But I have my lye solution mixed up and cooled down to room temperature as well, and here I am getting ready to start stick blending and getting this soap underway. Here I'm adding the fragrance oil Bourbon Street by Nurture Soap Supply, and I will be going straight into splitting this one batch off into 3 equal parts, and I will be coloring one with blue Vibrance Mica, the other with yellow Vibrance Mica, and the third one with red Vibrance Mica. And I will be doing a vertical pour using my vertical mold dividers, as you will see throughout the rest of this video. Apparently my hair decided that it wanted to make an appearance during this video, but as you can see, I'm trying to stir in the red Vibrance Mica and it's not combining very well, so I just set it to the side and I will come back to it and give it a stick blend, and it should, well, it will blend in just fine at that point. The trick to using these mold dividers is to pour just a little bit in each section at a time. But because even with that middle divider holding each section, they can still bow if you pour, one of each in every section. And as you can see, I have the hardest time working with these dividers, but I always love the effect that they give, but they just can get a little over full until you pull the dividers out and the soap kind of settles into its spot. And then I can never get the line crisp at the top, as you'll see when I make the cut. But I still always like the final product well enough to keep using it. It has been just over 24 hours and I have unmolded this soap and I am back to do the cut, which is one of my favorite parts of soap making because it's always exciting to see how your soap turned out on the inside. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching another one of my soapy creations. If you like what you saw, do me the honor of subscribing and ringing my bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun. If you're already subscribed, thank you for committing to taking this journey with me. That's it for now. Bye.